It is unboxing time. Gonna unbox the TOZO NC7. These have A and C mode, touch controls, one-step pairing, and they got dual microphones. And let's see here if I can get this to focus. Let me see if I can get this to focus. There we go. These have mic noise reduction, 2 mic hybrid A and C, Bluetooth 5.0. Got a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Earbuds battery is 70 milliamps. The charging case has 500 milliamps. Okay, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see what's inside. Now I got the TOZO NC7 for the hybrid active noise cancellation. I want to know whether or not these are better than the NC9s. I hope so. Ooh, look at that charging case. Wow, that's small. That's really small. Hold up. Let me get my sound beats. Look at that. Look at that. That's smaller than the Soundpeats T2 case. Man. Okay. Let's see what all we got in here. Oh, see, this is why I like TOZO. They got multiple ear tips. That's a lot of ear tips right there. Let's see. Got the pancake ones, got large, medium. They got all sizes. Okay. Not bad. Let's see. Now I'm pretty sure this is type C. It's a tiny little charging cable. Well, not too tiny. USB type C to USB A. Alright, now let's look at the buds. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. Oh. Okay, hopefully I got some juice in this charging case. Hope so. Yes, I do. And an added bonus on these charge wirelessly, as you can see here. I also have a special guest. I have some spin fit silicone tips. I'll go ahead and open these up. I'm gonna try these out on these, see how I like them. Get that up out of here. Let's see here. Oh, these are nice. Okay. Let me see if these will fit on here. So I got, what are they? Small, no, large and medium. I think the green are medium and the blue ones are large. So I'm gonna go with the medium ones. See if they fit on here. Ooh, they do. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with these this week. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay, let me see how they fit in here. Oh, these got a great seal. Oh, these are great. Uh-oh. Hey, It look like I can't close the case. Oh, okay. False alarm. They fit in the case. That's not bad. Jeff, you a real one for recommending these, man. I can't wait to test these out this week. This is the TOZO NC7 unboxing. Thank you for watching.